behind me here, we have the Excel Viper 1751. So we got this particular boat rigged out with the 60 Marine 4-stroke with the big tiller kit from Mercury. This Excel, the Viper series, we had this boat rigged or optioned out with the kick-up assembly on the transom. So that's going to give you the benefit if you're hunting some flooded timber, that kind of thing, to where you might come across some exposed logs or something like that. It's going to allow that motor to kind of swing freely, especially on these power tilt and trim motors, you know, the larger horsepowers like the 60 Mercury. Hunt deck in the rear, really good for getting in and out of the boat. Obviously, a dog makes it a lot easier on them. And then as we work our way forward, the Excel does a really good job as far as their layout, very hunter friendly. So you have dry storage boxes, port and starboard side, a small electrical package, so all your electrical switching, resettable breakers, 12-volt receptacle, a few LED interior lights, that kind of thing. Fuel gauge is all located right there. As we move forward, you'll see on the port side you actually have a gun box built into this boat. Then of course on the starboard side we have the gun tray, so a really neat option. A lot of guys love that tray just for holding shells, just miscellaneous things you bring when you get out there on the water. This particular boat is configured with the built-in 11-gallon fuel cell. Makes it really nice, a lot easier than dealing with a portable tank or something like that. And of course pre-wired for your trolling motor on this boat. Great fishing boat as well. And you'll see some little things like the handrails, the tracks that they put in these gunnels. So if you wanted to mount any additional accessories, makes it a lot easier with adding that option. And of course, this boat is in a Max 4 Camo. This is more their standard color camo option. And of course, with the liner built in as well, sprayed in liner. Riding on a Diamond City aluminum trailer with the mag wheels. Composite bump board covers, really important with saltwater use. Very good setup. Well, that about wraps it up, guys. Y'all can call us anytime for more details on this boat at 251-937-1380, or you can check out all of our inventory 24 hours a day at southernfishingboats.com. Thank you guys for watching.